Hello guys, good morning. Right now I am here at Varkala and this is the kind of view that we have early in the morning. It's like 6:30 and we are going for cycling here. Hardik, who was there with me, there are a lot of them here. They're troubling me. Hardik, who was there with me at the hostel Vagaman, he's here also. So we all are going for cycling session here. We are planning to go to Kapil Beach from here, from the Varkala's hostel. So this is the cycle that I got here. There is Hardik. So we're going towards Kapil Beach. We are totally 7 of us. The views here are amazing. And that's Atul there. He's also my roommate at this hostel. He's from Thrissur. Yeah. So it's like we just stopped there for a photo session and then we're going towards the beach. So we'll be cycling on the beach, going towards the Kapil Beach. The views here are stunning. Give me a sec. Once I get out of this narrow passage, you will be able to see how the view is. I'd come here yesterday evening and I'd clicked few pics. The place is stunning. It's just like a private beach here. It's a beautiful place. Woo! There you can see the sea, and that's the beach out there. Ooh! Difficult to cycle. Oops. Woo! So that's the view there. Beautiful views of the sea. So we need to go that way. That's Kapil is over there. I think 6 or 7 kilometers from here. I don't know how we'll be cycling through this sand. It's not, it's loose kind of sand, so it'll take time. So there's everyone coming here. Totally 8 of us. Totally 7, I believe. 7 of us. So all the way you're gonna push your cycle? Even that's what I was thinking. Not easy to cycle on this loose sand. It doesn't take you places. It doesn't take you places where you want to go. That's beautiful. Oops. Nope. So this is the kind of private beach that I was talking about. Beautiful. Now it's this kind of a month where the sea is rough, so most people don't get out. Otherwise you will have surfing and kayaking and all that kind of activities here, but at present there is nothing. It's been long, it's been ages since I've cycled. There's a small stream that we need to cross. And there is loose sand everywhere. Okay, it was not as difficult as I thought. क्या जिम जा रहा है क्या? Cycle gym. Place where it is beautiful. You have all these coconuts on this side. That side is the sea. It's rough. And you have all these stones. It's for the protection so that the waves don't come and hit the shore. You can see in most of the coastal areas you will be able to see this. Now at least finally I'm relieved of the loose sand. So let me go towards Kapil. Pam pam pam. Yeah, we have some fishermen here. They've put hooks and they're waiting for a fish. So there he is. He's fishing. I thought I'll just stop and come over here. There's one more person sitting up there. fishing also. Pam pam pam. He's got a fish, yes. Yeah, there he's got a fish. He's got a big one. Oh my god, look at that. It's a beautiful one. So that's the fish there. It looks like a seal, but it's a beautiful fish. It's huge. So that's the view we have here. We are going along the coastal area here. There is the fish. It just got it out of water. In the very Srav. It's a shark, right? It's a shark. So all of them have left. So I need to zoom up. Woo! That's beautiful. All these are cafes and stays that we have here on the side. Beautiful scenes early in the morning. It's like around 6:45 to 7 in the morning right now. And there's this blue water. There's a resort here. I've already started to take long breaths. Oops. Bumpy ride. Only she's here, in my view. I don't see anyone else. Chalo, chalo. Careful, careful, slow. Up, careful. Pam, 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 pam. So I'll take a detour here. Look at that view. Beautiful. It's a small cliff here. Now the huge one. Beautiful. So that's the community manager here at this hostel. He's the one who's taking us there to Kapil Beach. Yeah, again. Okay. So he told me it's straight. Yeah. As I told from the narrow passage, we'll be going to the beach. Not the beach actually, the seashore. There's a lot of homestays and the resorts. Actually, Varkala is not famous among Indians. It's very much famous among the Europeans and the outsiders. And you have all the Americans and all those people coming here. But now, due to COVID situation, there is no activity. It's like the whole place or the whole Varkala is dead. Yesterday we were there at the cliff in the evening There also it was deserted. There was absolutely nothing. Oh, that's beautiful. Woo! I need to concentrate on the road. If I don't look at it, then maybe I will go into the ditch there straight. Brake, spongy brake. Yeah, I am doing a cycle review now. The brakes are spongy. Not good, not fast and not responsive enough, but I can manage. It's okay. So this is the main road right now. We have deviated from the seashore. We have beautiful resorts here, beautiful resorts, homestays and all that kind of stuff. So now we are entering a bridge. The bridge separates the backwaters and the sea. These are backwaters, you can see there. This is the backwater, this side, and it's connected here at the sea. Beautiful. So we'll be waiting here. We have two of them coming, Hardik and Atul. They need to reach, so we'll wait here and have a good look of these views. You can see here we have parked the cycles here, locked it up, and walking towards Kapil beach. Beach over there. It's a place where the Kapil backwaters and the beach joins together. That's the place it is. It's beautiful also. Hardik is all tired here. Cycling till here.
Still energetic.
Still energetic. Okay, we were waiting for him for some time here. It's a beautiful place here. That's the bridge that we crossed. There it is. Crossed from the right side to the left. We entered there and we came here. So I'm all sweaty and all that. Kind of tired, taking long breaths. So that's it from the cycling video from Varkala to Kapil beach. So see you guys with yet another exciting video next week. Hopefully you guys like it. Keep supporting.